As you can see on the screen, price has crossed and closed below the 360 period simple moving averages on the daily time frame of the AUD/JPY currency pair. And the blue line of the ADX indicator has also crossed above the horizontal line which was placed at the indicator's 25 level mark. All of these signals are simply telling us that there's a pretty strong downtrend on this currency pair at the moment. As soon as I saw these signals, I immediately cranked down to the 4-hour time frame of the AUD/JPY currency pair to confirm the validity of the bearish long-term trend which I identified on the daily time frame of the currency pair, in line with the trade setup identification rules of our forex trading strategy. As you can see on the screen, price also made a bearish crossover on the 4-hour time frame of the AUD/JPY currency pair, confirming the validity of the bearish trend which I just identified on the pair using the price chart of its daily time frame. Therefore, in line with the trade setup identification rules of our trend following forex trading strategy, I immediately cranked down to the 1-hour chart of this currency pair with the intention of finding low risk, high probability short trade setups which I could take advantage of. As soon as I cranked down to the 1-hour time frame of the AUD/JPY currency pair, I placed a sell stop pending order to get me into the market with a short trading position on the currency pair about a couple of pips below the lowest price of the most recent swing low which I found on the currency pair's 1-hour time frame. At that particular moment in time, the most recent swing low on the 1-hour chart of the AUD/JPY currency pair was indicated by this particular down fractal on the 1-hour chart of the AUD/JPY currency pair, since all of these other fractals hadn't been formed yet. And right after that, I placed the stop loss order for that sell stop pending order at the price level where the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to prices I was located at immediately after I identified the trade entry level for my sell stop pending order. My short trading position on the AUD/JPY currency pair is currently sitting on about 47 pips of floating profits at the moment. And when I hover my mouse's cursor over the stop loss order for this short trading position, you will notice that its stop loss order is about 76 pips away from the trade's entry level. And since I'm risking 76 pips on this trading position, its profit target needs to be placed about 152 pips away from the trade's entry level, according to the rules of our trend following forex trading strategy.
A few moments later.
It's now been a couple of hours since I last updated you with a progress report on the short trading position which I took on the AUD/JPY currency pair. The short trading position which I took on this currency pair is currently sitting on a floating profit of about 117 pips at the moment. And since the profit target which I set for this trading position is about 152 pips away from the trade's entry level, price would only need to move about 35 more pips in favor of my open short trading position on the currency pair for it to hit its profit target. But whether price is going to decide to do that or not is beyond my control now. I will just have to wait and see if price is going to end up hitting this trading position's profit target to take me out of the market with a 2% profit, or maybe even hit its stop loss order, which would cause me to incur a loss of about 1% of my forex trading account's capital. And that's pretty much all the gist there is about this short trading position which I took on the AUD/JPY currency pair. My advice to you would be to set a goal of taking at least 100 trades using this forex trading strategy before trying to assess its trading performance. And to help you accomplish this task, I actually created a private Facebook group where newbies who are struggling and experienced forex traders who are making a killing with the forex trading strategy which I just showed you in this video can hang out and help each other to become consistently profitable forex traders. One of the reasons why I did this is because I know how much of a lonely business forex trading can be when you're trying to go at it all by yourself. Fortunately, you're not going to need to spend a fortune on low quality online courses or countless hours trying to figure out how to make money through forex trading when you join our vibrant community of forex traders over at FXMindTrix Academy.com/community. So what would you rather do? Are you going to commit to this Forex trading strategy and take at least 100 trades with it and prove to yourself that it actually works? Or are you just going to dump it after you encounter a losing streak in search of the next best no-loss Forex trading strategy, which you're probably not going to find anyways? I'd love to hear what you intend to do in our private Forex trading community over on Facebook. So do yourself a favor and take that life-changing step towards becoming the consistently profitable Forex trader which you've always wanted to become by heading over to FXMindTrix Academy.com/community or just clicking on the link in this video's description box below. I'm pretty sure you're not going to regret it. In the meantime, if you would like to learn how to make money online through Forex trading, working less than 4 hours a week from anywhere in the world, head on over to FXMindTrix Academy.com/blueprint or click on the link in this video's description box below to get instant access to the PDF guide and exclusive video training which is going to show you exactly how to do that right away. And now it's over to you. Since you've now learned how to find entry and exit points using our powerful, low-risk, high-probability Forex trading strategy, let me know which one of these currency pairs you're going to take your 100 trades on using our Forex trading strategy in the comment section. Are you going to take your first 100 trades on the AUD-USD currency pair or the GBP-USD currency pair? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video below. But if you'd like to learn exactly how to find low-risk, high-probability Forex trade setups using the trend-following Forex trading strategy which you just saw me use to trade the live foreign exchange markets in this video, click on the video which is being linked on the screen now. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload more actionable live Forex trading tutorials just like this one. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next one.